Welcome back guys. So Xiaomi 12T Pro, a soon to be launched flagship phone under 12T lineup of smartphones. And by soon to be I mean next month. This was the case with 11T Pro as well. It was launched in September last year. The smartphone has been making rounds at various certification sites. I won't bore you with the details, but it's been certified with the FCC in the United States, Thailand's NBTC agency, and very recently in the Malaysian Electronic Safety Regulatory Agency, SIRIM. So the launch seems near. Anyways, without waiting anymore, let's get straight to the specs and how it looks. Actually, we only have one image of the phone, and it's the rear side. It shows triple camera unit with the main sensor being a 200 megapixel. Leak says it's Samsung HP1 primary sensor with OIS and AIS. That makes sense. It is highly doubtful that Xiaomi would use the HP3 sensor for its 12T Pro instead of the HP1. The HP3 sensor can capture images with a 200 megapixel resolution, but it differs from the HP1 sensor in that it has a smaller sensor and fewer individual pixels. The other camera sensors are the same as the Redmi K50 Ultra Edition, that's an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front of the phone is a mystery right now, but it won't be that far from the 12 Pro. It could come with a center hole punch setup while packing a 32 megapixel snapper. It could be equipped with a 6.67-inch OLED Full HD Plus display and offers 144Hz refresh rate. The display will also feature an in-screen fingerprint sensor for security. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. The 12T Pro is also expected to support NFC and both SA and NSA bands of 5G connectivity. Apart from this, the FCC database also confirms that the 12T Pro will arrive in 3 different RAM and storage configurations. That is 12 plus 256, 8 plus 256 and 8 plus 128GB storage. Also, Xiaomi 12T Pro is expected to pack 5000 mAh battery that supports 120W fast charging, and it will run on Android 12 based MIUI 13. So overall, a pretty powerful handset. There is also the vanilla Xiaomi 12T, but that's for another video. As for the price, a Twitter user mentions that the pricing could be 849 euros for the 8 plus 256GB model, but we have to wait for more concrete evidence on pricing. With that said, if you enjoy such videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.